Hi, I'm Leo, and in this video, we'll be going over variables in Python. So basically, variables are just reserved memory locations for storing data values. They are more or less containers for holding these data values. Now, to declare a variable in Python, you just put the name of the variable, you put the equal sign, and then you put the value of this variable. Now in Python, you don't really have a command line for declaring your variable, like when compared to C programming. Now in C programming, you have to put a keyword specifying the data type. Like for a whole number, you have to use int. And for a character like a letter C, A, D, you have to use the word char. And for your decimals, which could be either a float or double, you have to use those keywords. But in Python, you don't do that. You just pick a name, equal sign, you put the value. Okay, so here I can pick a keyword x as the name of my variable. You throw in the equal sign, and let's say x is 4. Now I could go down and say print print x. So once I say print x and I run the code, it's going to print 4. So you can see that here. So the name of the variable, equal sign, and the value you print. Now, sometimes you can use words, especially when you're running your code. You can be using X, Y, A, B, because you want someone to actually read this code and understand what you're doing. So let's say I want to declare a variable and I want to use math number. So whenever you're using two words to declare a variable in Python, you use the underscore. So math number. So here I have math number equals math number equals, let's say 1202.967, and you want to also declare, let's say, CGPA, and this we want to equate to, let's say, 4.2. So here you will notice I have declared two different types of variables. The first one is actually an integer, while the second one is a decimal, which is float, but I don't have to specify that. So I'll come here and say print math number, and I could also go down and say print CGPA, print CGPA. So when I run the code, it's so you can see right here we have the math number 1202.967 and the CGPA 4.2. So that is just the basic ways we use variables in Python. So if you actually want to specify the type of variable, there's a way of doing that, and it's called casting, which I'm going to be showing you in my next video. All right, do have a lovely day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.